Hey, is Zoom lagging when you share your screen? Yeah. Choppy video, delayed mouse movements, and slow animations can make presentations really frustrating. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Zoom screen sharing lag in 2026 so your presentations run smoothly. First, make sure your internet connection is fast and stable. Switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection if possible, or move closer to your router. You can also run a speed test to ensure sufficient upload speed for screen sharing. Close unnecessary programs running in the background, browsers, games, and streaming apps can consume CPU and network resources, leaving less bandwidth and processing power for Zoom. In Zoom, go to Settings, Arrow, Share Screen. Disable Optimize for full screen video clip if not needed, and in video settings, lower resolution or turn off HD video. This reduces CPU and bandwidth usage. Hardware acceleration lets Zoom use your GPU for rendering, which can reduce lag. Go to Settings, Arrow, Advanced Arrow, enable hardware acceleration, then restart Zoom. Make sure Zoom is updated to the latest version. Also, update your graphics and network drivers. This improves performance and fixes compatibility issues that can cause screen sharing lag. If you're using multiple monitors or high-resolution displays, Zoom may lag. Try sharing a single monitor, reduce resolution, or disconnect extra displays to improve performance. Other screen recording apps, streaming software, or video tools can interfere with Zoom. Close apps like OBS, Discord, or video editors, then try sharing again. If lag persists, uninstall and reinstall Zoom. A fresh installation fixes corrupted files and resets settings to default, which often solves lag issues. And that's it. One of these fixes should reduce Zoom screen sharing lag so your presentations are smooth and responsive. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.